everyone, today we're making vegan frappes. So I love to go to cafes in the summer and get a frappe. They're refreshing, they cool you down, they've got coffee in them. They're a really great treat, but they're not cheap and the plastic containers that they come in are not great. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own with vegan ingredients. So first of all, it is really easy, but it does require some advanced planning. First you need to brew yourself some coffee and then put it in an ice cube tray overnight. I find that a large ice cube tray, about half of it, makes one large frappe. Once this is done, pop out the ice cubes and pop them into a blender. So as you can see, my blender is quite small, but you could use a proper ice blender if that's what you have. That would probably work more effectively. In this you want to add any sugar or sugar syrup. I just made one out of some hot water and sugar, but you can use yourself like a flavoured syrup such as almond, hazelnut, milk, orange, mint. I mean, the options are endless really with the flavours. Alternatively, you could just use something a little healthier. For example, some dates are quite sweet. They are still sugar, and I guess they're slightly healthier because they've got the added fibre in it, but make no mistake, this is not a healthy recipe. So once you've got your sugar syrup in, add milk a little by little and try blending it. If you've got one of these blenders, you might need to give it a bit of a shake every now and then, but otherwise just add small amounts until you've got the preferred consistency. And that's pretty much it. It's a really easy recipe. You can put some ice cream or some cream on the top if you prefer. And you don't even have to make this with coffee. You could make it with chocolate, with matcha. Matcha frappes are amazing. It's all pretty much the same principle. Pop your liquids in the freezer overnight in an ice cube tray and blend with milk. I'm using soy milk, but you can use any plant-based milk that you like, whether it's cashew, macadamia, almond, hemp, rice, oats, whatever you like. There are so many options. And yeah, just have a bit of fun with it. Make one of these for yourself, for your friends, and sit back and relax with your brunch. That's it for today. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and watch out for new videos. I make them every week. And if you want to catch up with me on any of the socials, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or alternatively comment below and let me know what would you like to see be made vegan next time. Alright guys, have a fantastic day and I'll see you later. Bye!